your light shall still abide. When I cry, oh Lord, attend my voice. Do not turn away. My heart shall rest in your steadfast light. Forever I will stay. Let my prayer arise before you, Lord, like incense in the air. Let my voice ascend to heaven's gate and find your mercy there. You alone are my refuge and strength. My soul to you I raise. Let my song be incense before you. Forever will I praise. Forever will I praise. Let my prayer arise, O Lord. Let my prayer rise before you, as incense lifted high, as incense lifted high to heaven. Let my prayer arise.
Let my hands be praying.
Let my hands be praying. Set a watch before my lips, O Lord, guard my heart within. Turn my eyes from evil paths, deliver me from sin. Deliver me, O Lord, deliver me, deliver me.
My eyes are fixed on you, O Lord, my refuge and my stay. In your light I find my rest, in your truth I pray.